right, so the homeowner, and this is normal, don't be alarmed by this. The homeowner, they love watching it. Everything going all right?
Yeah, I just found the other French drain from theirs.
Okay. Well, and you know what? That happens as well. So somebody ran a Home Depot pipe. You can see how weak it is. You can see how it crushed. I mean, look at that. It's a piece of garbage. And then they used pea stone, and then they didn't wrap it. So that's why it's not working. It's not working at all. Oh my God, they didn't have it tied in? They didn't. Okay, I see what they did. Barbaric. Barbaric. They just busted it with a hammer. Animals. Oh, look at that. Home Depot pipe. You always know the Home Depot pipe by the green stripe. That's ADS. It stands for Advanced Drainage System, but I don't know what they're advanced in. That's for sure. Holy crap. What a crap system. So see how deep we are? See how deep that pipe is? See the difference? Okay, so I'm going to use this as an example of what not to do. So here's our pipe, and we're going to be down in here. There's the stone. See how pea stone just migrates into the subsoil? Look at that. It's all, you can't get water to the pipe. This yard was a sewer. If this pipe worked, that wouldn't have been the case. And small voids because of the pea pebble. And look at this guy. He can scratch my back with that thing. He runs it so well. You're a rock star, Francisco. You're a rock star, buddy. All right, I'm gonna get out of these. I'm gonna get out of their way and let them do their job. Just thought I'd show you guys that. Very cool, very cool. It's like an extension of his body.